Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, December 11th, and Christmas has come early today. The Bank of Canada has announced a 50 basis point rate reduction to the overnight rate, which is gonna directly impact the prime lending rate, which will go from 5.95 down to 5.45%. The fifth rate reduction in a row, the second what we now call jumbo rate cut of 50 basis points. So that's a full percent in the last two meetings. Joe, what happened today?
The Bank of Canada is basically staying the course on dropping rates. I guess the big thing to think about here is a little interesting. Inflation is actually up slightly. It's hit the 2% mark, so the first time it's gone up since May, but they're really concerned on employment. So unemployment is as high as it's been since 2017. That's a bad news story. And then there's the T word. We don't want to say the T word, but tariffs. And there's no announcements about tariffs, but it is hard to say that that's not impacting some of the concern. And so really what this is saying from the Bank of Canada is they want to boost up the economy. They want to make sure that we see a stronger economy than we see right now, and lower rates should help that.
Absolutely. Now, keep in mind, with a reduction like this, it's going to have a direct impact on any variable rate holders. Anyone who has a mortgage, a line of credit, or any kind of outstanding balance that fluctuates with the prime lending rate. This does not directly impact fixed rates. This is a lot of confusion that we've seen over the last little while.
Yeah, for sure.
The fixed rates are tied to the bond market, essentially the markets, and it takes the market some time to react. Albeit they tend to trend with the prime, but it does take time. So do not expect your fixed rate mortgages to drop immediately. In fact, the bond market's up very slightly this morning, even in light of the news of the rate reduction. So just do keep that in mind.
Yeah, it's another really important part, but you can always reach out to a mortgage broker. We're happy to talk about where rates are going, where your rate's going, what's the best plan for you. Have a great holiday season. We'll see you in the new year. The next meeting is January 29th.